everyone, the Ruby family has arrived! Hi everyone! Today, we look better than anyone else. Guys, just look at that! It's the Golden Family! Hi everyone, we're heading on a journey. It used to feel so good when it was just the two of us.
I love you so much, sweetheart.
I feel so good with you.
Rumi, why are you sad?
It's nothing.
I wish we could be together.
Well, Rumi, let's see how you remember him after this.
Oh no! We've got a problem! Something's wrong inside the plane!
Rumi, hold on! I'm coming to help you!
So, Rumi.
Don't you recognize me?
Come here! I won't let you touch her! Oh no! I need to get out of here right now! Get out of here!
No one is stronger than the Golden Family.
Hurry, Rumi! We need to save them!
I lost this time, but we will definitely meet again.
Get out of here! I trusted you!
Oh no, this is why she became a monster. I have to destroy it. Abby, there's something I wanted to confess to you.
It doesn't matter what family we're from. What matters is that we love each other.
Baby Rumi wants her touch up.